Lesson: the role of AI in customer interaction. The role of AI in customer interaction is increasingly pivotal as businesses seek to enhance customer experience, streamline operations, and maintain a competitive edge. AI technologies have transformed the way companies interact with customers, offering tools that improve personalization, efficiency, and satisfaction. In this lesson, we will explore actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can directly implement. Through the examination of real-world examples, case studies, and statistics, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of how AI can be ethically and effectively integrated into customer interactions. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time has revolutionized customer interaction by enabling businesses to offer personalized experiences at scale. Machine learning algorithms can process customer data to discern patterns and preferences, allowing companies to tailor their marketing messages, product recommendations, and customer service responses. For instance, Netflix employs AI to analyze viewing habits and recommend content that aligns with individual preferences, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. This approach not only increases customer loyalty but also drives revenue growth by encouraging more frequent platform use. Beyond personalization, AI tools such as chatbots and virtual assistants have streamlined customer service operations, providing 24/7 support and immediate responses to inquiries. These tools utilize natural language processing to understand and respond to customer queries, significantly reducing wait times and operational costs. A notable example is the banking industry, where AI chatbots handle routine inquiries allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. According to a report by Juniper Research, AI chatbots are expected to save businesses over $8 billion annually by 2022. This demonstrates the profound impact of AI on operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. However, the deployment of AI in customer interaction is not without ethical considerations. Ensuring transparency and building trust are crucial when implementing AI systems. Customers must be informed when they are interacting with AI, and companies should provide clear explanations of how their data is used. The General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union sets a precedent for transparency, requiring businesses to disclose data processing practices and obtain explicit consent from users. This regulatory framework underscores the importance of ethical data management in maintaining customer trust. In addressing real-world challenges, businesses can utilize frameworks such as the AI Ethics Framework developed by the Australian government. This framework outlines principles for ethical AI deployment, including fairness, privacy protection, and accountability. Implementing such a framework requires a step-by-step approach. First, companies should conduct a thorough assessment of AI systems to identify potential biases and privacy risks. Next, they should establish governance structures to oversee AI deployment and ensure compliance with ethical guidelines. Finally, ongoing monitoring and evaluation are essential to adapt to new challenges and maintain ethical integrity. To further enhance proficiency in AI-driven customer interaction, professionals can leverage practical tools like IBM's Watson Assistant. This tool allows businesses to create AI-powered virtual agents that can interact with customers across multiple channels, including web, mobile, and messaging platforms. Watson Assistant's machine learning capabilities enable it to learn from customer interactions and improve over time, providing increasingly accurate responses. By integrating Watson Assistant into their customer service operations, companies can deliver consistent and personalized support, enhancing overall customer experience. Another practical application is the use of AI-powered analytics tools, such as Salesforce Einstein, which enables businesses to gain deeper insights into customer behavior. Einstein uses predictive analytics to forecast customer needs, recommend products, and optimize marketing strategies. For example, by analyzing purchase history and engagement metrics, Einstein can identify high-value customers and tailor offers to increase conversion rates. This data-driven approach empowers businesses to make informed decisions, driving growth and customer satisfaction. Despite the benefits, the integration of AI in customer interaction poses challenges, particularly concerning data privacy and security. Businesses must implement robust data protection measures to safeguard customer information against breaches and unauthorized access. Encryption, access controls, and regular audits are essential components of a comprehensive data security strategy. Furthermore, companies should foster a culture of ethical AI use, where employees are trained to recognize and mitigate potential risks associated with AI deployment. Real-world case studies further illustrate the transformative impact of AI on customer interaction. For instance, Sephora, a global beauty retailer, has successfully integrated AI into its customer engagement strategy through the use of virtual try-on tools and personalized recommendations. Sephora's Virtual Artist app uses AI to allow customers to try on makeup virtually, enhancing the shopping experience by providing a personalized and interactive service. This innovative use of AI not only increases customer satisfaction, but also drives online sales, demonstrating the potential of AI to revolutionize retail. In conclusion, the role of AI in customer interaction is multifaceted, offering opportunities for personalization, efficiency, and enhanced customer experiences. However, ethical considerations are paramount in ensuring the responsible use of AI. By implementing frameworks and practical tools, businesses can navigate the challenges associated with AI deployment and harness its potential to drive growth and customer satisfaction. As AI continues to evolve, staying informed and adaptable will be key to maintaining a competitive edge and fostering trust in the digital age.